Hello everyone, my name is Kimberly Elizabeth. Today I am going to talk about my sister's daily routines. Number one, first she breaks her teeth early in the morning. Number two, then she takes a warm bath to relax and work up. Number three, for breakfast she drinks milk and eats bread. Number four, after that, she puts on makeup and combs her hair. Number five, she rises her moisturizer to go to work. Number six, she arrives at her workplace at 8 a.m. Number seven, she greets her co-workers and spends some time talking with the building security guards. Number 8. During the day, she practices her Spanish language. Number 9. She always drinks water to stay hydrated. Number 10. Finally, at night, she goes to sleep and gets a very good rest. Bye. Thank you.